Jeez. What are you doing?
Open the necklace.
There's supposed to be a lamp.
Don't worry, the girl can be here.
Let's see, what do you got?
It's a TV.
It's a TV?
Yeah. Now we can be silly. Let's see if there's a TV.
I think that's a kitchen.
Oh, it is. It's a kitchen. Look. So you can make food for them. There's plates and bowls and a microwave and a coffee maker and little coffee cups. That's pretty cool.
And there's no table.
Yeah, there's a table in there.
See, I don't see.
Well, I think we can find a table.
That's because Monkey's in the way.
Okay, go get your more presents.